Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to discuss the language activities in Unit 4. Activity 1. Read the following sentences. I can walk hundreds of kilometers without being tired. I walked through the jungle without being tired. What difference do you notice between these two sentences? Yes, children. In the first sentence, the speaker talks about her ability to walk kilometers without being tired. That is her ability to walk. In the second sentence, the speaker states that she walked through the jungle without being tired. Here, can implies possibility or ability, and can is a modal auxiliary verb. Can implies possibility or ability. Now, let's go through the modal auxiliary verbs. Children, already you had studied auxiliary verbs, which can be classified as primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. Then modal auxiliary verbs are will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare, ought to, used to. Children, here I am citing only will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must and ought to. I just say now the function of need and used to. Need shows necessity and used to is the repeated action in the past. Repeated action in the past, that is used to. Back to these modal auxiliaries given here. Can, could. Can shows ability and also function as request. And could is the past ability, suggestion and future possibility. Okay. So the functions of can, ability, request. Could, past ability, that means the ability in the past, and suggestion and future possibility. Next one, may and might. The function of may is permission or future possibility, that is seeking permission or future possibility. Something is possible in the future, that is future possibility. Then might, present or future possibility. It's present or future possibility, that is might. Next one, must. It shows necessity or obligation. Then ought to. Ought to is what is right and correct, that is ought to. It is like should. Ought to is just like should. Then shall, that is offer or suggestion. Then should, advice or uncertain prediction. Okay. Function of should, advise or uncertain prediction. Then next, will. Will shows willingness, then certain prediction or promise. Willingness, certain prediction or promise. Then last one, would. It shows request, invitation or making arrangements. The functions of would, request, invitation or making arrangements. Now read the conversation between Julian and her mother. Julian: Mother, shall we go now? It's already late. We may miss the flight. Mother: The baggage is very heavy, Julian. Could you help me? Julian: Don't worry, Mom. I can carry the baggage. Mother: It might rain today. You had better take 2 umbrellas. Julian: I will do that. Anything else? Mother: May I ask John also to join us at Pukalpa? He can cook quite well. Julian: We must not disturb John. I can manage that. We must report at the reception at 11 a.m. Please hurry up. Mother: Okay, let's leave. Now, let's pick out suitable sentences from the conversation and write according to the pattern given here. First one, ability. The sentence which shows ability, I can carry the baggage. The modal auxiliary is here, can, and the verb carry. Next one, permission. Sentence, may I ask John also to join us at Pukalpa? Here which is the modal auxiliary? May. And it shows here permission, seeking permission. And which is the verb in that sentence? Ask. The next one, request. See children here. Could you help me? Here which modal auxiliary verb is used? Could. And it function as here request. And which is the verb? Help. The next one, offer. I can carry the luggage. Here which is the modal auxiliary verb? Can. It shows offer. And the verb carry. The next, prediction. It might rain today. That is present. You have learned now the functions of might. That is present or future prediction. Here it might rain today. That is present prediction, right? And the modal auxiliary might. And the verb is here rain. The next one, obligation or compulsion. We must report at the reception at 11 a.m. It is compulsion and the modal auxiliary verb here must. And the verb report. Children, have you noticed the verb form here? Yes. All the verbs are here in first form. That is modal auxiliaries plus V1. Along with the modal auxiliary verbs, we should use the first form of the verb. Children, we use modal auxiliaries to express ability, certainty, possibility or probability. Modals are also used for asking permission, making requests and offers, giving advice and so on. It is very, very important, children. Modal auxiliaries are used to express ability, certainty, possibility or probability and are also used for seeking permission and making requests or offers, giving advice and so on. Let's wind up today's class. Children, I request you all to attempt home assignment. Only a few students have been sending this. What about others? Just try to attempt. Don't bother about the mistakes. Try to attempt. That is needed. Okay.